and retweets and all that, but it leads to a wrong URL and yeah. Wow, what the? Mama Loni, what are you drawing? Does that include me? Did you guys see? Eh? I see someone on the left side. She must be drawing all of HOLOTORI, is she? Yabe outfits? Oh my god! 大丈夫かママルニさん。これも見たいですけど、他にも出来上がっていないイラスト、今めちゃくちゃ積もってきてないこれ聞いてるかな But she's like, she's probably so inspired. She's like, I need to draw this, I need to draw that, I need to draw this and that, and this and that. Ah, but I also want to draw this and that. But did you notice, like, what's leaning on Louis' boobie is another boobie, I think. Yeah, and I see the thigh. Yeah, that's probably Reina, judging by the size. Just judging by that 1 centimeter of boobie, I can say that's Reina. Oh, but that will mean we got Mume in a spicy outfit too. Chihuahua analysis.